Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pepebonk token. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow, January 20th. We're going to go over the Pepebonk token, the information on it, and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Pepebonk. This is a meme token on the Ethereum blockchain. Everybody knows Pepe. I'm sure everybody knows Bonk, two very popular meme coins. Mash them together. Now we got Pepebonk, and that's just how the crypto world works. You just take popular memes, you mash them, and yeah, now this project is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 20th, 6 o'clock UTC time. The Pepebonk token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open up an account, fund your account with USDT, and then tomorrow after 6 o'clock UTC time, go into the trade section, search Pepebonk, the ticker symbol, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Combo of Pepe and Bonk. Now, if you are going to get this token, you might want to check out also the Kickstarter event that's going on. So there's the Twitter right here at Pepebonk ETH coin, or you could go to Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc_official, and you can get involved with a Kickstarter event where you could win airdrops where you vote with the MX token, which is Mexc Global's token. So check that out. There's a reward pool of 50,000 USDT for that. Now you can join their Telegram at Pepebonk ETH coin, and over there's 18,390 Telegram members. 918 of them are online, so that's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. So check that out. And they have a Etherscan on here. So this is on the Ethereum blockchain. Right now they have 870 holders. So they're off to a great start here. 9 decimal places. And there is a max total supply of 100 trillion tokens. So since this is an Ethereum token, if you did want to get this token prior to the Mexc Global listing, you can get this token off of Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Pepebonk token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, pepebonk.io. It's right as soon as you load up the webpage, contract address, and it even says buy Pepebonk right underneath that, and that is a link to take you over to Uniswap. Now, it doesn't say anything about taxes, so I'm not sure if you have to set slippage. I was just looking in their tokenomics. It doesn't say a single thing about taxes, but if you did buy or sell this token from Uniswap, then let people know in the comments what the slippage was. Now, just be aware there is going to be gas fees on Uniswap as opposed to Mexc Global that has very minimal fees. I don't like Uniswap's failed transactions and then you lose gas fees, and that can be super annoying. Now they have lots of socials at the bottom of their page. They have Medium articles, YouTube channel, Reddit, Twitter, Telegram. They have a GitHub, all sorts of links at the very bottom of their webpage, so check that out. Now it says, embark on a whimsical journey into the crypto realm with Pepebonk, a unique meme coin that fuses the iconic Pepe meme culture with the playful energy of Bonk tokens. Pepebonk is not just a cryptocurrency, it's a celebration of internet subcultures coming together in mimetic harmony. And so then it has the contract address. It says, about us, Pepebonk represents the harmonious convergence of Pepe, the timeless internet frog meme, and Bonk, renowned for its dynamic and lively community. This fusion brings together the wit and charm of Pepe with the spirit camaraderie of the Bonk community. Our mission is to unite Pepe and Bonk with memetic excellence. So why Pepebonk stands out? The meme synergy. Experience the magic when Pepe and Bonk combine forces, creating a unique and entertaining digital landscape filled with laughter and creativity. Community harmony. Pepebonk thrives on the shared enthusiasm of Pepe and Bonk devotees, fostering a community where memes come to life. Now, how the token is allocated, so their token metrics here, 40% of the tokens go to community airdrops, 30% go to DEX liquidity, 20% central exchange liquidity, and 10% team and founders. Now they have a roadmap on here. Starting with phase 1 is concept creation, website creation and launch, community creation, social media creation. Phase 2, it says listing on PancakeSwap, but I'm sure they mean Uniswap. Maybe they just copied this from a different roadmap, and they put PancakeSwap on here, but this is, in fact, a Ethereum token. So that's strange, but yes, error on their roadmap here. Then marketing campaigns, biggest buy contest, CoinGecko CoinMarketCap listings, phase 3, strategic partnerships, DApp testing phase, marketing campaigns, launch all functions, and roadmap update. So join the Pepebonk community, whether you're a seasoned meme aficionado or a curious explorer of the crypto landscape. Pepebonk invites you to join the community. Together, let's embrace the laughter, creativity, and collaborative spirit that defines Pepebonk. Pepebonk, where memes unite, the crypto thrives in the spirit of fun. Now, their Twitter, I'm going to put on the screen here as usual, has a link to their webpage there, at Pepebonk ETHCoin on Twitter, blue verified checkmark, almost 50 tweets, almost 7,500 Twitter followers, and in there, basically their pinned tweet is like a full link tree that's going to have the contract address, Uniswap link, DEX screener link, and then if you scroll down, you're going to find the Mexc global listing announcement. So check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.